Are you moving to the US and want to figure out how in the world can I finance my dream home? Well, this video is for you because we have found some fantastic options for you. Hello, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in Texas, and I help you find the best places to live in Texas. Now listen, if you are trying to finance your dream home or find a place to live here, fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below and we can help get you connected with the right people. Let's get started. Texas has wide appeal across the globe. We are attracting the attention of so many. And we have helped many people like you that are from out of state and out of the country. Now listen, we are a little bit cowboy and also a little bit glitz and glamour. We have great downtown condos, wonderful rural properties, and picturesque suburban neighborhoods. Plus, we have nice, friendly people here. Please and thank you are a common language, along with smiles, and we have jobs. Now, talking about jobs, the best way, the number one way to secure residency here in the US is by a work visa. Once you have that work visa, I tell you what, it'll be a lot easier to get a home. But you can purchase investment property as well, or a second home. And while I have some good information in this video, I'll get you connected with our out of the country lending expert that can help you. And they can answer all your questions. So we have helped international clients move to Texas from Germany, the United Kingdom, Dubai, Taiwan, South Korea, Canada, Brazil, and listen, we have a Spanish-speaking agent. So if your first language is Spanish, we have a great Spanish-speaking agent on the team that can help you, along with Spanish lenders. You can buy property as a foreigner living in the U.S. full-time, as a green card holder, as a non-resident investor, or as a vacation home. Foreigners can buy single-family homes and condo units or invest in commercial real estate. Okay, so a couple of questions that we have. First off, does buying a home in the US give you automatic residency? And the answer's no. To live in the US, you need an appropriate visa or resident status, which must be applied for separately to the house purchase process. Next, can a green card holder buy property in the US? Okay, so you either have residency, work visa, a green card holder, but you're ready to purchase a home. Let's talk about the financing. What do you need? So whether you pay cash or whether you get a mortgage, you're going to have to show proof of identity. This can be a passport, green card, visa, social security number, individual taxpayer identification number, like that. 2, you need proof of address and resident status. You'll usually have to show where you live using a driver's license or other official paperwork, and may need to prove your legal resident status if you intend to live in the property. To get a mortgage, you'll need to provide evidence that you can afford and keep up with the payments. And this may include pay stubs and tax returns. Proof of affordability, a lender also needs to see evidence of any outstanding loans or debt to access the affordability on the loan. Okay, so the good news is we found a lender who can help our clients. So we have 20% down programs. We have no credit report needed programs. That was probably our biggest hiccup in financing people who are coming from other countries to the US, was not having a credit report. So now we have a program where they can use the credit report in your country, which is fantastic. If you're going to be living and working in the US, you can put down as little as 20% on a primary home, 25% on a second home, and 30% down on an investment home. Foreign buyers who are not going to be working in the US full time, they have to put down 30% for a second home and 40% for an investment property. But I'm excited about these numbers because it used to be 50%. I do want to let you know that these international loans can take a little bit longer than a traditional personal loan. So expect, at least in Texas, expect 30 to 45 days, probably more in the 45 days to purchase the home versus the 30. And they're going to take you through much of the process up front so that you can be confident when putting in offers on a home that it's going to be no problem to get you closed. So with just a little bit of planning, get the help of the experts on our team, we can get you here, get you in a home with really good financing. So fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below to get started on the process.